Hello, my name is Siddharth Paul, and I'm currently a freshman at U of I, and I'm planning to pursue an information sciences plus data science major. And let's learn some data science. And today we're going to learn how to use Python DataFrames to randomly select 10 freshman level classes from the course's dataset. And before we can do anything with our any type of data science, there's one important line of code you always need to know in data science discovery. It's called import pandas as CD. Yeah, make sure to ingrain that in your mind and always remember that. Like if there's a slogan for data science discovery, it's definitely that. And what this does is allows us to access the pandas library, and we can use it as PD. So we don't, when we're writing our code, we don't have to keep on writing pandas, and we can just write PD for easy. And next thing we need to do is load our courses data set, and we'll just pretend our CSV file is called courses.csv. And how we're going to do that is I'm going to create a new variable called df, which is the data, we're going to store our data frame, so we can then do data science with it. And df is equal to pd.read_csv, and then we're going to call it courses.csv. And basically what this is doing is we're using the pandas library, and we're accessing this function that's inside the pandas library, and we're reading the CSV file, and we're putting it into a data frame, which we can now do data science with. And now the next part is we want to filter out freshman level classes. And how we do that, we need to check the columns. And there's different columns: year, term, subject, number, etc. And the one column which we can differentiate freshman level classes from different levels of classes is number. So how this works is that courses number 100 to 199 is freshman level courses, 200 to 299 is sophomore level courses, etc. So we need to decipher between 100 to 199 courses. So I'm just going to write that here. And you want to make sure that when we're looking inside the data frame, this column variable is greater than 100, greater than or equal to 100, and less than or equal to 199. So this is what we need to check for when we're looking at our data frame. And I'm going to create a new data frame so we can with all the filtered stuff. So we'll call df_fresh is equal to how we do this is df, and we're going to create a parentheses. So we're going to have two conditions. So this condition first. So you want df dot number. So, and we only can put in this format if we don't have any spaces in our column name. So if dot number is greater than or equal, so in this syntax would be like this, not like that. Greater than or equal to 100. And because we want both conditions to be fulfilled, in order for it to work, df.number is less than or equal to 199. And there's also a second way of doing this, which is greater than 99 or less than 200. It does the same exact thing. Either way works, it's up to you. And now the last part, which is we need to randomly select, the Y is cut off, randomly select 10 courses. And this is probably the easiest part. This was a lot of code probably for you, but this next part is super easy. And I'm going to put this in a new data frame to call it df_sam is equal to, so we were going to use our new data frame, df_fresh. And it's pretty easy, a dot sample. And then we do n is equal to 10 to signify we're sampling 10 values. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for listening.